said, now fly, fly, fly. But the baby bird said, oh my, my, my. The second baby bird flew way up high. The next baby bird then gave a sigh.
Mama bird said, now fly, fly, fly. But the baby bird said, too high, high, high.
The third baby bird at last went out. The next baby bird then gave a pout. Mama bird said, now fly, fly, fly. But the baby bird said, oh why, why, why? The fourth baby bird went down to eat. The last baby bird gave a long loud tweet. Mama bird said, now fly, fly, fly. But the baby bird wanted to cry, cry, cry.
Mama bird said, it'll be okay. You'll be alright, and there's a way. The little baby bird then started to sing and flew off, flapping his wings. All the baby birds with mother in the lead flew through the sky quite well indeed. Mama bird said, now fly, fly, fly. And all the birds flew to the sky, sky, sky. When you get that funny feeling way down low, just stop what you're doing and go, go, go.
What are you doing? Where did you go? What are you doing? I want to know.
I went to the party and washed my hands too. I went to the party like the big kids do.
How do I do that? How do I go? How do I do that? I want to know.
Sit on the party, sit and wait. Sit on the party, it will be great.
I'm sitting on the potty, ready to go. But nothing is happening, and why I don't know.
Try again later, later today. Try again later, later today.
I got the funny feeling way down low. I've got the funny feeling, I think I have to go.
Just sit on the potty, sit and wait. Sit on the potty and it will be great.
I went to the potty, look and see. I went to the potty, pray for me.
Great job, JJ, now wash your hands. Great job, JJ, now do the potty dance. When you get that funny feeling way down low, just stop what you're doing and go, go, go. Great job, JJ, do the potty dance. We got you some big boy underpants. When you get that funny feeling way down low, stop what you're doing and
happy. We can share. Sharing makes us all happy. Sharing is caring. Oh, sharing is fun. We can all share together. Be kind to everyone.
Can you share? Can you share? Can you share? Please? Okay.
We can share. Sharing makes us all happy. We can share. Sharing makes us all happy. Sharing is caring. Oh, sharing is fun. We can all share together. Be kind to everyone.
Can you share? Can you share? Can you share? Please? Okay.
We can share. Sharing makes us all happy. We can share. Sharing makes us all happy. Sharing is caring. Oh, sharing is fun. We can all share together. Be kind to everyone.
Can you share? Can you share? Can you share? Please? Okay.
We can share. Sharing makes us all happy. We can share. Sharing makes us all happy. Sharing is caring. Oh, sharing is fun. We can all share together. Be kind to everyone. Let's all share.
Yay!
Let's all share.
Yay!
Let's all share.
Yay!
Let's all share.
Yay!
One, two, three, four, five. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again.
Why did you let it go?
Because it bit my finger so.
Which finger did it bite?
This little finger on my right.
One, two, three, four, five. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again.
Why did you let it go?
Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right.
One, two, three, four, five. Once I
I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again.
Why did you let it go?
Because it bit my finger so.
Which finger did it bite?
This little finger on my right.
Hello, new friend, what's your name?
I am Nina, that's my name.
Hello, Nina, what do you like?
I like bunnies, that's what I like.
Hello, new friend, what's your name?
I am JJ, that's my name.
Hello, JJ, what do you like?
I like sharks, that's what I like.
Hello. Nice to meet you, nice to greet you, say hello. Hello. Nice to meet you, nice to greet you, say hello. He's the best I know.
I'm so glad there's three of us to laugh and play and run.
When we do things together, it's always much more fun.
My big brother fixes things. He makes them work and run and go. My big brother fixes things. He's the best I know.
I'm so glad there's three of us to laugh and play and run. When we do things together, it's always much more fun. My big brother helps me out with school and things that I don't know. My big brother helps me out. He's the best I know. I'm so glad there's three of us to laugh and play and run. When we do things together, it's always much more fun. Blow your balloon up, blow, blow, blow. Blow, blow, blow. Blow, blow, blow. Blow your balloon up, blow, blow, blow. It's time for the race. Blow your balloon up, blow, blow, blow. Blow, blow, blow. Blow, blow, blow. Blow your balloon up, blow, blow, blow. It's time for the race.
3, 2, 1, and Are we there yet?
Not yet.
Are we there yet?
Not yet.
Are we there yet?
Not yet.
Are we there yet?
Let's play a game. Look at where we are. Won't you look with me and tell me what you see driving in the car? What do you see?
An eagle!
What do you see?
A deer!
What do you see?
A lake!
What do you see?
A rainbow!
It's so much fun to drive so far.
Let's look outside and enjoy the pretty ride, driving in the car.
Are we there yet?
Not yet,
Are we there yet?
not yet,
Are we there yet?
not yet.
Are we there yet?
Let's play a game. Look at where we are. Won't you look with me and tell me what you see driving in the car? What do you see?
A cactus!
What do you see?
A tumbleweed!
What do you see?
Rocks!
What do you see?
A tree!
It's so much fun to drive so far.
Let's look outside and enjoy the pretty ride, driving in the car.
Are we there yet?
Not yet.
Are we there yet?
Not yet.
Are we there yet?
Not yet.
Are we there yet?
Let's play a game. Look at where we are. Won't you look with me and tell me what you see driving in the car? What do you see?
A barn!
What do you see?
A windmill!
What do you see?
A cow!
What do you see?
A tractor!
It's so much fun to drive so far. Let's look outside and enjoy the pretty ride, driving in the car.
It's the animal dance.
The animal dance!
Let's all stand up
Let's all stand up!
and move around
And move around!
and clap our hands.
And clap our hands!
Look over there, our friend the wolf. He goes ho, 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 doing the animal dance.
It's the animal dance.
The animal dance!
Let's all stand up
Let's all stand up!
And move around
And move around!
and clap our hands.
And clap our hands!
Look over there, our friend the cat. She goes meow, 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 doing the animal dance.
It's the animal dance.
The animal dance!
Let's all stand up
Let's all stand up!
And move around
And move around!
and clap our hands.
And clap our hands!
Look over there, our friend the pig. He goes oink, 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 doing the animal dance.
It's the animal dance.
The animal dance!
Let's all stand up
Let's all stand up!
and move around
And move around!
and clap our hands.
And clap our hands!
Look over there, our friend the duck. He goes quack, 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 doing the animal dance.
It's the animal dance.
The animal dance!
Let's all stand up
Let's all stand up!
and move around
And move around!
and clap our hands.
And clap our hands!
Look over there, our friend the mouse. He goes squeak, 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 doing the animal dance.
It's the animal dance.
The animal dance!
Let's all stand up
Let's all stand up!
and move around
And move around!
and clap our hands.
And clap our hands!
Look over there, our friend the monkey. He goes ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ooh, ooh, ah, ah, doing the animal dance.
It's the animal dance.
The animal dance!
Let's all stand up
Let's all stand up!
and move around
And move around!
and clap our hands.
And clap our hands!
Look over there, See, see, Teddy turns off the lights. 1, 2, 3, he flips the switch. You see?
Yes, 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 I'll turn that off right now. We're helping the earth. I like it. Wow.
Trash, trash, let's pick up the trash.
Yes, 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 I will pick up the trash.
Good, good, a helpful thing to do.
Yay, 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 I like it.
See, see, elephant cleans the trash. 1, 2, 3, he picks it up. You see?
Yes, 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 I'll pick it up right now. We're helping the earth. I like it. Wow.
Water, water, let's turn off the water.
Yes, 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 I will turn off the water.
Good, good, a helpful thing to do.
Yay, 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 I like it.
See, see, monkey turns off the water. 1, 2, 3, he twists the knob. You see?
Yes, 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 I'll turn it off right now. We're helping the earth. I like it. Wow.
Plastic, plastic, let's reuse our plastic.
Yes, 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 I will reuse the plastic.
Good, good, a helpful thing to do.
Yay, 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 I like it.
See, see, Mousy reuses the plastic. 1, 2, 3, use it again. You see?
Yes, 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 I'll reuse the plastic now. We're helping the earth. I like it. Wow. Tree, tree, it's time to plant a tree.
Yes, 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 we want to plant a tree.
Good, good, a helpful thing to do.
Yay, 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 we like it.
See, see, Teddy plants the tree. 1, 2, 3 in the ground. You see?
Yes, 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 we'll plant the tree right now. We're helping the earth. We like it. Wow. Five little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 4 green speckled frogs. Blub, blub. 4 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 3 green speckled frogs. Blub, blub. 3 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 2 green speckled frogs.
eating some most delicious bugs. Yum!